for those viewers that may not be aware, right? So you and I bill differently. I bill by the hour. So no matter who the client is, whatnot, I bill for, every, tenths of minutes, twelfths of minutes, depending on who you are. I bill no matter what. So explain for our viewers who may not be aware of what a contingency is. So my clients will get a bill at the end of the month, regardless of, while we're going through the suit, whether I win or lose, I still get paid. So tell
Right.
us a little bit about contingency, if you don't mind.
Yeah. So contingency, basically, us as attorneys, we take on the risk of doing the work initially without getting paid. So we don't charge anything up front. We do have a retainer that's signed, which is a contract, but there's not a retainer fee that someone has to put in. We don't bill by the hour. We don't track our hours. And then at the end of the case, if we're successful, we take a percentage
Right.
as a success fee. This also includes spending money on cases. Sometimes we have to hire investigators, filing lawsuits is expensive. And so we put all those expenses, we front them for the client. And then if there's a recovery in the end, then we get reimbursed.
Right. Well, and I'm sure, especially in the type of law for personal injury, that probably is a huge, motivating factor for people, because I'm sure that right when an accident happens, they're dealing with medical bills, with, all these things. How, in your experience, how does contingency fee litigation benefit personal injury practice?
Yeah, unlike other areas of law that might have a certain demographic, right? With personal injury, the demographic is quite broad because any and everyone is capable of being injured.
Right.
And people have different financial statuses, right?
Right.
So being able to offer a contingency structure allows someone access to legal representation without having to have money in order to get the best legal representation.